Okay, kids, so how do you go about, what's the plan of attack? What should I do? U sub? U substitution? I like U sub. What should U equal? Plus Y squared? Plus 1 or just that? I like the plus 1 idea. So what do you do now? Take the derivative.
With respect to y.
With respect to y? Can you just watch for a sec, the back channel? Let's just try this. We're going to try. See if you can be as good as my algebra students, okay? So du is going to be equal to what? 2y times what? Hold on. If we didn't get rid of y, where are we? Nowhere. The entire point was that we got rid of y here. So now we have the integral from 0 to 1, the integral from x squared plus 1 to x squared plus 2 of x over the square root of u du dx. And there's a 1/2 on the outside now. What do I do now? Yeah, I don't really writing it like that. So I'm going to write u to the... Now we're going to integrate with respect to u. So we have 1/2, 0 to 1. We integrate with respect to u. It's going to be u to what power? 1/2. Drops to the front, so we're going to pop a 2 to the outside, right? And it's going to be x right there. Is that correct? And we're going from what to what? Plus 1 to plus 2. And what's on the outside? So we have this times the du is going to, so there's dx floating out here just to keep it constant here. So we're substituting in for the u value, right? So it's going to be x times x squared plus 2 to the 1/2 minus x squared plus 1 to the close. And what's nice, what happens out here? Oh, that's gone. So you end up with 0 to 1 of this dx. Is that correct? How are we doing on our algebra? Is that right? What do we think, Deanna? Do I get the... Are we okay? Okay. If I want to keep on integrating this, is there anything I should do first? What should I do? Anything in particular? You want to do u sub on this? Hold on. No, you love algebra, I thought. You do? Oh, you said you do? Okay, sorry. So what do you end up with here? 2/3 u to the 3/2, and it's a 1/2 on the outside of this. From what to what? Minus, and I'll keep that 1/2 on the outside. How about that? The same thing, right? 2/3 u to the 3/2 from 1 to 2. Are we okay so far?
Are you sure it's still 2/3?
Yeah, it's still 2/3 because we're integrating the same thing, right? Right? The limits are different. It's 1 to 2 and not 2 to 3, right? So it's 1 to 2, 2/3 times what? 3 to the 3/2 minus 2 to the 3/2 minus 2/3 times 2 to the 3/2 minus 1 to the 3/2. And do we actually have a numeric answer now?
Yeah.
Can you simplify this if you so choose? Yeah, you might be 4. Type 1 regions. Type 1 regions. They have an upper limit and a lower limit. You have an upper bound and a lower bound, an upper bound and a lower bound. Type 1 regions. The x-axis goes side to side. Sorry, the x-axis goes side to side and the y-axis goes up and down. Judging by what you see right there, what do you think type 2 regions are going to look like? Left and right.